Welcome back to another video, traders, and if you're new to the channel, welcome to Charting Trends for Tesla. I'm TJ and we got a great video for you today, but before we get into that, make sure that you like and subscribe so you don't miss the next video, and please let me know what you guys think about this video in the comments section. I read all the comments, so let me have it. If you like my analysis, please check out my main channel, Charting Trends for Trading Options, where I look at a different stock every single day, and if you want to follow me on social media, those links are in the description below. Alright, let's get into the video. Here's the chart for Tesla. We're on a 10-day, 10-minute chart today. Not much price action. It was a very choppy day in the market. And Tesla, it's tough to find a story here when the price isn't moving. So one thing that you want to look at when the price isn't really giving you a story is volume. So let's zoom in here on today's action and just look at these volume bars. So again, this is the 10-day, 10-minute chart here, and I'm just trying to look at what are the 5 biggest volume bars that we had today. And it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to give 5th place to this green one right here. So the point being that 4 of the 5 largest volume bars on the day were green bars, and yet we went down almost 11 points today. So what does that tell me? It tells me that the price is not going in the direction of the volume, right? So that is not the trend. The trend is in fact down, and we can see that on the larger scale when we zoom out. We are in still a bit of a downtrend, even though today most of the price action was above my line here. I think the volume tells the story, because what do we not see on this chart? We don't see a big bounce and recovery. We don't see a reclaim or a hold of this 792 level, or going back up to test this 811 level to get back into our price channel. We don't see that, right? What we see is a choppy day where we tested this level a couple of times and immediately got rejected here. And again, at the end of the day, immediately got rejected very sharply, whereas SPY, in contrast, was very weak this morning and recovered in the afternoon. So we had a drop here in the morning, came back up, tested this level, got rejected, and came back later in the afternoon, right through it, right back above 89, and trying to get back towards yesterday's levels here. And another point being, SPY levels are still very close to all-time highs. Here's our all-time high here at 395.76. We're down a few points today, and we're still above 390. Still very much in the same neighborhood. Whereas Tesla, we'll go back one more time before we close out this video here. Not a whole lot to talk about on the chart. But look where we're at now. We're in the 780s. Our all-time high was just over 900. That was a couple of weeks ago on just January 25th. And, what we're not seeing anymore are these falls and bounces, these recoveries, these reclaims of these higher levels. This was our track for a long time. We were consolidating into this price range, and since about February 8th, we've really just been trending down. The bounces don't bounce as much, and the falls keep going down. We're seeing lower lows and lower highs, and so today, in a choppy day like that, you look at the volume and you see what's the story here. We're getting buyers, but it's not moving the price, right? It's a fairly flat day in the market, and Tesla's down, unable to reclaim the pivot and still hanging around these downtrend levels. So I think it's just a further confirmation, again, as we've talked about, that this price action from before consolidating into this level is over, and we are now on this downtrend, and really the market's going to dictate how quickly Tesla falls. If we hang around these all-time levels, we're going to have choppy days, chop, pop, and drop, slowly working to the downside. But if there's a significant market pullback, I think you might see this fall accelerate quite a bit. But that's what I'm looking at here today, and we'll see what happens tomorrow, guys. Have a good night. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like. It really helps out the channel. And subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Let me know what you think about this video in the comments section as well. I read all the comments, so I appreciate any feedback. And if you like my analysis, please check out my main channel where I look at a different stock every single day. And if you guys want to follow me on social media, those links are below in the description. Thanks, and have a great night.